Welcome to a show about the rocks that run the world. Or at least the ones that run the drones, the defense contracts, and the supply chains holding everything together.
Today, we're looking at work from Nantha Kumar Victor Emmanuel, PEng, and it lands squarely in rare earth territory. Specifically, who controls the magnets inside American military drones, and what one company is doing about it.
Let's start with the Pentagon's drone ambitions and the supply chain problem underneath them.
The setup here is stark. The United States military wants a lot of drones, fast, and almost every one of them depends on a component it doesn't control.
The Post puts the numbers plainly. The Pentagon recently placed the largest drone order in American history, 30,000 one-way attack drones, with plans to scale past 300,000 by early 2028.
And the constraint hiding inside that ambition is the rare earth magnet. According to Goldman Sachs figures cited in the Post, roughly 98% of the world's magnets are manufactured in China. So the upshot is, you can order all the drones you want, but if the magnets aren't there, the drones aren't either.
300,000 drones is a serious procurement target. The magnet math is the part that doesn't scale with good intentions.
That's where ReAlloys enters the picture. The Post describes the company as holding the only fully non-Chinese mine-to-magnet heavy rare earth supply chain in North America, covering processed metals, finished alloys, and the magnet-ready inputs that defense contractors actually need.
So the chain runs from the ground to the finished input, entirely outside China. That's the gap ReAlloys is positioned to fill, and it's a gap the Pentagon's own order just made very visible.
The original reporting is sourced to the Globe and Mail, and the Post frames ReAlloys not as a speculative play, but as a company that has spent years building toward exactly this moment in defense procurement.
The timing is either very good planning or very good luck, probably some of both.
Rare earth supply chains don't move fast, but defense procurement deadlines do. That tension is what makes this story worth watching.
The magnets are small. The stakes are not. More next time.